Sam Carpenter coined biological prime time in Work the System. His research found that scheduling important work during your peak 2 to 4 hours produces output equivalent to 6+ hours of work scheduled randomly throughout the day. For 3 weeks, rate your energy, focus, and motivation on a 1 to 10 scale every hour from wake to sleep. Use a simple spreadsheet. After 3 weeks, patterns emerge clearly. You'll see a consistent 2 to 4 hour window where all 3 scores peak. This is your biological prime time. Once identified, your BPT is non-negotiable. No meetings, no email, no admin, no interruptions. Block it on your calendar as a recurring event. Tell colleagues you're unavailable during these hours. The quality of work you produce in this window is irreplaceable. Map your non-prime hours to appropriate task types. Moderate energy for meetings and collaboration. Low energy for routine admin and email. Post-BPT for review and planning. Your entire day becomes a choreographed sequence that works with your biology instead of against it. Demonstration of the energy tracking spreadsheet with auto-generated charts showing BPT patterns, plus setting up the corresponding Google Calendar blocks with appropriate focus modes. Start the 3-week tracking experiment today. Download the free energy tracking spreadsheet from the description. Your most productive hours are hiding in plain sight. This experiment will reveal them.